Yes, it looks like it has been successful as they hit that almost 100. There it is, 100 points in this beginning autonomous period. Simbotics for the Quals, quick into that neutral zone at the end here, getting stuck on top of some fuel. Luckily for them, able to get back on all fours and continue on. Lots and lots of fuel coming from 36 into that hub, but Red is going to start with that first active hub shift. Trying to line themselves up. Things are not making it easy. Egg Robotik over there as well. Oxford RoboCats just launching that fuel from the neutral zone back to the Red Alliance side of the field. They have a very large capacity on that robot. That may be beneficial for them as they can collect more and more pieces of fuel to score. Sliding around this field, the robot angles itself differently based on where that hub is. As we're under now and getting to that 15-second mark, both hubs active for these teams. Blue Alliance, though, large lead at this time. 550 points already and 5 seconds remaining. Will they get to 600 points by the end of the match?